The weather is getting cooler and it's officially fire pit season. Come along with us as we build an affordable fire pit and share 6 hacks along the way. Let's go. We wanted to be able to see our neighbors and say hello when they walk by, so we decided to move the fire pit to the front yard. Let's go to the store to get some supplies.
Oh man, I can't believe I did that.
We are using a 36-inch metal fire pit ring from Costway. The easiest way to figure out how many pavers you'll need is to lay them out on the floor and to measure and make sure the inside dimension matches your fire pit ring. We are using the pavers with the angled sides to make a clean circle.
Get up there, we hand them to you. There's such a thing as a steel-toed glove. I feel like they should get that.
Drew's gonna be back at the house when we get there.
Yeah.
Thank God for my boy.
Well, maybe not. Got his date.
We met her last night. She's really nice.
Next up is to dig a hole for the fire pit. Dig a cylinder-shaped hole with the same diameter as your ring plus the stones on both sides. We wanted a deeper fire pit because we do a lot of long fires and have lots of yard waste, so we wanted the hole to accommodate 5 layers of pavers with half of them being underground. Take your time to get the bottom of your hole all the way to the walls of the hole as level and flat as possible with a level and a tamper tool. This will make laying the first layer of stones much easier. Why sand?
Well, you see, Lindsay, the reason that you use sand is because anything that's organic is just going to burn and become unlevel. Did I say that right?
Organic things break down.
Organic things break
Sand is
down.
not organic, so therefore it does not break down.
Sands will not break down.
Don't you know?
Spread sand across the bottom. Sand won't break down with high heat, and it helps to redistribute the heat evenly.
Tip number 2, thread with your level, then it's level.
You can get silica sand, but play sand is cheaper and works just fine.
Can you find one that's like chipped, like that one on the ground is all chipped up? This one?
I literally just had a dad moment. I'm like, you handed me the wrong brick, boy. These fire pits are already warming me up.
Now you're ready to put the first layer of pavers down. Use the chipped and broken pavers first because you won't see them since they'll be underground.
What are you guys making, like a well?
Once the first layer of stones are secure and level, it's time to build up the fire pit. Because the pavers are stone and have an uneven texture, use small slivers of broken stones or pavers as shims. Wedge them into the gaps to keep your fire pit walls sturdy. Next, clean up the edges of your fire pit. Use the dirt from the hole to fill in any gaps and a tamper tool to pack it in firmly. Wet the ground a bit to speed this process along. So all that's left to do is add the metal insert. This one from Costway came in a few pieces, which made it easier and cheaper to ship. Rob was really impressed with the quality, and we both love how it elevates the fire pit and makes it look like a polished outdoor space. fire pit looks so great, we needed to up our game with the rest of the outdoor space. What a problem to have, right? We got 2 boxes of string lights from Costco, and Rob hung them from the trees using a strong guide wire. We also put together 4 gorgeous Adirondack chairs. These also came from Costway and are a durable outdoor material that won't need to be sanded or refinished each season. I love how crisp the white looks against all the brown and fall colors, plus the chairs are very comfortable and have a swiveling cup holder. Making a lot of headway with cutting down trees that are dead or too close to the house. We also did a bunch of yard cleanup to put the fire pit to the test and repurpose some stumps as tables. If you're interested in the fire pit ring or Adirondack chairs we used, I'll leave the links down below. They're quite affordable and arrive quickly. Plus, Costway is having a Black Friday sale from now until the beginning of December with up to 8% cash back, price guarantee, and a chance to win a free gift on orders over $100. I'll also drop a code below for 10% off site-wide. If you enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. We'll see you all in the comments. Bye!